Dongdaemun Design Plaza. Anong pinamili mo?
Snickers. Ayan.
Sarap. Anghang. Ano daw yan? Ha? Parang?
Rihanna. Skincare ko.
Skincare. Marami ba dito?
Yes.
Parang nagmamadali ka. Sarap?
Sobrang nasa akong lagay ng to. Someone's buying his favorite octopus. Sabi mo busog ka na.
Konti lang yan.
Yeah, 10,000 please. It tastes good, octopus?
Always.
Always. Enjoy. No, later. Good morning. Today is March 24, 2025 and it's quite a cold morning. We're going to Seoul Tower today. One full day before we go back to the Philippines. Kamsahamnida. Wow, this is so perfect for the cold weather. What did you order, Daddy? Look at that. It's boiling.
Those are all soup.
So,
Beef soup.
I wasn't expecting it's gonna be very cold today. So, I'm planning of going back to the hotel to get some more clothes. But still, we're going to Namsan Tower. Okay. Dig in. Can you show me the kimchi? And it's all free. Ooh. I wish in the Philippines kimchi is free too. What's that? Ah, sorry. Side dish too. Yum. Yeah. Ooh, seafood. Nice. Where are we going today? We just had our breakfast. We're staying in Jongno. So how many minutes are we going to travel going to the Namsan Tower?
I don't know. Just ride the subway then bus.
Actually, this trip has been just a spontaneous trip. Wala kami masyadong itinerary for the day. And
Okay, subway first, line 3.
Line 3 subway. You find the subway in Korea confusing, no? Nakalito.
Ayos lang. Di lang sanay sa mga markings.
Oh my God.
Kasi Korean.
Ang sakit ng paa ko.
Ano?
Ang sakit ng paa ko. Kasi yesterday we went to the tunnel sa DMZ. We have the tunnel going to North Korea. But oh my gosh, ang sakit ng paa ko.
Used for public transportation in South Korea. So you can buy this card sa convenience store, 7-Eleven. You can also top up doon din. So you can use it in bus and subway.
How the bus looks like. It's so pink.
Tired ka na? For...
Ang sakit nung pa ako kasi kahapon nga naman. Nagtandal tayo. Ang sakit siya.
Para lang makita
ang North
ang
Korea.
malapitan ng North Korea. Grabe lalim ng 300 meters. No, 73 meters deep. Tapos gaano kalayo yung nilakad natin? 500 meters. Back and forth is 1,000.
Parang papunta sa tunnel.
So ito yung packet ng tower after mong bumaba ng bus number 1. Lapit lang, matarik lang.
We'll try to go up the tower.
Claim lang natin yung voucher.
Oh, you already got that from Look?
Yes.
Nice. Hi. The voucher is from Look, right? Wow, this is nice.
Can see? Wow! Amazing. Ha?
Yeah, nice. Ganda pala. It's really nice. Still different if you see Seoul. Seoul is so amazing from here. It's Starbucks everywhere. Yum. Let's try this funny box. Tom found it. You found it interesting. Let's see. What will you get?
Oh, that one.
Ooh. What's gonna be our price? Let's see.
How much is that? 400.
It's 4. Ano yan?
I think
A
this
bowl.
is for Kaden.
Oh, we have something for Kaden. Oh.
400.
Daddy, I think the kids would love this area.
Yes.
They're so cute. Look, oh,
Home and friends.
so cute. And one day we're going to visit Namsan Tower with Jamie, Kaden, and Kuya Ton. So nice.
Ganda ng kulay. Pero mas maganda yung kulay dito. Kasi kulay ano. Diba? Korean na Korean talaga yung kulay. Yung sa Paris parang ano, diba? Parang more on metallic yung kulay. Ito mga old ano na to. Medyo rusty na yung mga lock. Sa baba ng ano to, sa baba ng
Namsan Tower.
yes, ayun na. After ng observation deck, you can go here after. observatory deck.
How much did we pay for the observatory deck?
700.
Do you recommend it? Booking there?
Yeah. It's a different adventure and maganda yung view.
Thank you, sir. Kuya is preparing our food.
Watch me party on you, yeah.